As a team captain, very proud ako sa hard work na binigay ng team namin this conference. And yun nga, despite hindi kami nakapasok, malaking lesson to and experience as well na dadali namin para sa next conference.
And for Dawn, this is your first PBL conference with Signa. How was your overall experience with the team?
Masaya pa rin naman, kahit nga na we fell short, but for me, it's a learning experience, syempre. It's all about team effort. Kailangan talaga ma-resolve namin yung chemistry pa namin, kung paano namin madadala yung team sa taas.
Thank you. And for Rose, you had 12 points today against Capital One. Ano lang din siguro yung naging motivation mo coming into this game para makapag-produce and help you?
Naging motivation, syempre yung team sa management namin na ilaro yung last game namin ng magaling.
Thank you. The floor is open.
Yun nga, as a team, close enough, we fell short and yun nga, sinasabi ko na kulang din na talaga ng team, especially players talaga. Dahil our coaches are very helpful and very supportive pagdating sa skills namin. So, it's us na pag naglalaro talaga. And you know, the other teams din, tumaas din yung level nila sa paglalaro. The lineup also are there. So, I think, yung mababaon namin sa susunod na conference is hindi kami mag-settle sa kung anong meron kami. And baulin namin lahat ng mga natutunan namin. And mag-improve.
Thank you, sir.
As a defensive player, talagang yung iniisip ko lang sa loob is kailangan mataas ko yung bola para ma-set ni Jel and ma-spike ang mga attackers. Siyempre, kapag sa akin pa lang naputol yun, wala na akong mabibigay na kumpiyansa sa attackers. So talagang ino-all out ko lang yung trabaho ko para mabigyan ko ng kumpiyansa yung fighters.
Also, to add lang, was it also hard mentally, most especially going against lahat ng teams kasi ngayon line up, going against teams tapos yung role mo as a defensive to defend tsaka mabigay sa strikers?
Mentally, actually coming into this team, sobrang minimal lang yung adjustments na ginawa ko. Like sa routine ko and sa pagpe-prepare na before game. Kasi yun nga, yung sistema ni Coach Chuck hindi nalalayo sa previous teams ko. So talagang very comfortable ako. And hindi ako nag-struggle na mag-fit in.
Then for strikers na lang, since conference na, ano na lang din thoughts you to have one of the veteran Guerreros on your side?
Yun nga, even we fell short, very proud dito dahil nakita niyo naman yung performance niya and yun nga, sa amin na yung ibang part kung bakit kami nasa situation na to. Pero with the addition of Don and Joe, yun nga, sobrang happy ng team namin na nandito sila and tumaas din naman yung kumpiyansa namin na nandito na si Don sa team namin. So, I think sa ibang skills, mas dadagdagan namin dahil na-feel din ni Don yung defensive, pagiging defensive player niya sa team. So, I think we will work on attacks pa, or blockings, and many more.
Ano yung happy?
Happy!
For Don, so ano na lang yung feeling na nakaharap mo yung mga dati mong teammates sa opposing side of the court and at the same time yung iba rin mag-advance to the semis?
Syempre happy for them kasi ano yung happy? Kasi alam ko naman kung ano din, kung gaano nila kagusto. And syempre gusto rin naman namin, but it's all about yung team effort nga. So happy ako na nagawa nila yung part nila sa team nila and nandun sila and I'm rooting for them.
See you next conference.
See you next conference.
To anyone na lang, performance.
For me, siguro yung thoughts ko na mababaon talaga namin, yung silver lining na makukuha namin dito is until the end, we fought together. as a team talaga, mahirap. Ang daming struggles, ang daming nangyari during the conference, individually and sa team. So, I think yung maging united pa rin kami until the end, na kahit na hindi kami nakapasok, we stay as one. So, yun.
For me, dahil nga bago ako sa team, so kinikilala ko pa rin talaga yung mga bawat teammates ko, yung weaknesses, yung strengths, and yun, parang I'm still in that process. And yun nga yung gusto ko sa team namin, yung ups and downs, talagang solid.
Same to kay Ate Ses. Kaya kay Ate Dom, through ups and downs, magkakasama kami. Manalo, matalo, iisa.